Guys, it's Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel. I have my 2016 Maserati Ghibli S with me right now. I'm going to be dropping it off for 4 days, and let me tell you where. So I told you guys I was going to be doing something a little special to the car. I haven't done much with it lately besides maintenance work, stuff like getting the wheel well lining fixed, getting the oil pressure light fixed, and the key fob battery. You saw that on the last episode with this vehicle. Today I'm actually going to be getting PPF, which is paint protection film. Now I'm not getting the whole thing done, don't trip, but I'm going to start small and then go from there. So what I'm starting with now is the place that will get the most road rash and the place that has the most traffic, and that's the front bumper. So I'm going to actually get that done, get it wrapped in the paint protection film, clear protection film, so you can see it, you know, see the paint straight through. It's not covering up the paint or anything, and I'm going to have it protected. Now you guys know I do have my wrap on my car, which I'll show you in a second, but I want to get this done. It's never too late. I know my car is almost 3 years old. The front bumper has held up pretty well. I do take care of it, but I want to protect it a little bit more. So I'm going to show you where I'm at, where I'm getting it done. There's a special toy here too. Where I'm at right now is Mr. Sparkle Detail in Ormond Beach. Now I used to live out in Ormond Beach, so he's a local in the area, and we were out here supporting each other, talking about plans on getting something done. Now we're here today. He's going to be wrapping my front bumper. He does all kinds of cars. I think last time I was in here he did an Impala. Now he has a Porsche 911 in there, so we're gonna go check that out because it's beautiful. But let's show you where I'm actually getting the paint protection film done. Now you guys know I do have the black gloss wrap there done by Carbon Wraps, okay? And then I do have the roof wrap and the mirrors wrapped as well. Obviously that's gonna be protected a little bit from any kind of road rash because it is covered up. But I need to get this front bumper here all done in a paint protection film. Right here, going down, swooping all across here, okay? I'm gonna get that done. It's gonna cover it up and protect it from rock chips, stone chips, and it's just gonna give it a nice shiny gloss look. And you're wondering why I waited so long. I just didn't know enough about paint protection film. I was a little late in the game. I got educated on it and said, well, hey, he's gonna hook me up, give me a shot, and we wanted to make something happen. So let's go in, check out the shop, see what he's got hiding in there, and then we'll continue on about what's gonna get done with my car. Guys, so we're in Mr. Sparkle's detailing shop, same place I'm getting my car done, and this is the kind of work he does. This, if you don't know, is a 2019 911 Targa 4 GTS, okay? The Porsche 911. This MSRP to start is $139,000. It's a 3-cylinder V6. 450 horsepower. I believe it's a twin turbo V6 as well, and I'll show you where the turbos are. Since the wheels are off, you can actually see them, but this has 200 miles on the odometer, so this is brand spanking new. My car will be getting done right here. I'm going to be dropping it off. It's not a 4-day job, but I'll be gone for 4 days. I'm going to be leaving out of town, so this is the perfect time for me to drop the car off to Mr. Sparkle and get this all taken care of. I'm excited, but just take a look at this brilliant blue on this Porsche. Oh my God. You can see the film right there. You have the wheels off sitting there as well. The black wheels just gonna look awesome with this Targa convertible. I mean, this is just incredible. You can see the cutouts here for the wrap of the car, so it's really cool to see that. Let's talk about the turbos, because there's actually the turbos on each side right here. So since the wheels are off, you can see one turbo on that side, and then you come around the back, you see the other turbo on the other side, which is really cool because that's just something you never get a chance to see. Look at the inside, it's gorgeous. I mean, the blue, it's like a Miami blue. It's just incredible. I love this thing. But it's really cool to be able to get my work done around the same kind of clientele that this is. But he does all kinds of cars. I mean, he had an Impala in here last time I was in here. So if you guys see my social media pages, you have seen that already, that when I came in here for the first time and last time, he actually had an Impala he was doing the paint protection film on. So everybody gets treated well, you know. If whoever wants to take care of their vehicles, they can. There's no discrimination there, okay? Everybody wants a clean vehicle no matter what you have. So he does all kinds of things, but this is just the cream of the crop right here. Check out the 20-inch wheels, like a matte satin black. Porsche emblem, center caps. Pirelli P0s, same tires as mine. These are most likely summer performance tires. All four sitting here hanging out. All right, so the paint protection film I'm looking at is actually the Suntech Ultra. It's PPF there, and you see, actually, ironically, Maserati is on the cover. Now, it is a Gran Turismo, and there is no symbol there for copyright issues, obviously. But what it is this the bottom half here. I'm not sure how well it turns off in the light there, or it shows in the light, but it's the bottom half of these blocks here. So you see, kind of under there. And that's the same kind of film that is actually being put on this Porsche. So it's going to be the Suntech Ultra PPF film there. So let me just show you a little bit about the Suntech Ultra. You see it has a 10-year warranty there. These are your benefits of it. Okay, so resistant to stain and dirt. Okay, it is self-healing with the top coat. Limited warranty is 5 years. And then if you get the Ultra, it is 10 years. If you do just the Suntech paint, it's good on the resistance to dirt, and it's good on the self-healing. If you do the Ultra, it's advanced on the healing and advanced to stain and dirt. So since we're looking at the Ultra, we're gonna get the best of everything. 10-year warranty, advanced on the self-healing, and advanced on the stain and dirt. So as you can see, another picture of the Gran Turismo. But before we get into that, just to let you know why you get the PPF here. So you see it helps protect against damage caused by rocks, salt, insects, and other road debris. It's also self-healing. The film uses heat of your engine to repair itself. It has outstanding durability and optical clarity. It's available in a high gloss and a matte finish. Okay, you have the top coat that increases the stain resistant and product longevity by limiting water and dirt accumulation on the film surface. So that is why you get this PPF film. All right, guys, so we're back 3 days later, actually. I was out of town. If you guys follow me on social media, you'll know that I was out in Tallahassee for my girlfriend's fitness competition. I am now back at Mr. Sparkle Detail, and look at what I'm looking at. Under these beautiful, bright white lights is my 2016 Maserati Ghibli S, and it's looking brand new. I mean, he took care of my car so well. This thing is just shining better than when it did when it came off of the truck from Italy, and we have the lights on it to prove it. Now, not only is it clean, which you see that Bianco LP paint there, there's just the tri-coat pearl paint, but it's also paint protection film. Now, this is the whole reason why we were here, to get this paint protection all over the front bumper. We also got it on the headlights as well. So both headlights have PPF on them to protect them from scratches and nicks and dings, road rash, stuff like that, but also the entire front bumper. Now, the only part we left out was the black lip that I got done at Carbon Wraps. You know, we just didn't want to put PPF over a wrap. It's kind of redundant. Starting from this line here, going all the way down, this line here, going all the way down, and then we're swooping all around. Okay, you can even see, and let me see if I can get on this side here so you guys can see it a little bit better. I'm probably in the light, but you see around the insignia, you can kind of see a little line up there. That's where the film is. So you can kind of see it right there. See that line going around in a circle around the insignia, the Maserati insignia? There you go. That is actually the paint protection film, the Expel that I went with, that I showed you guys, and I am super happy on how it turned out. Now let me get this back in focus. We'll take a look from the front. It just looks so awesome under the light. I am shocked. I just don't get a chance to see it under these kind of lights with the paint protection film. It's just immaculate. He did an awesome job. Now, to get something like this, you can get anything. You can come in and just get your emblem paint protection film. You can come in and just get one headlight, both headlights. I'm not sure why you would just get one, but for a job like this, you're looking at about 600 bucks. So $100 for the headlights and about $500 for the front bumper. He does do the preparation, so everything gets cleaned. Okay, you got to clean everything first because you can't put it over dirt. It's not going to stick. If your front of your car is dirty, if your hood is dirty, anything like that is dirty, it's not going to stick. But he preps it, you know, gives you the buff, clay bar, whatever it may need at the time, depending on the condition of the car. And he gets it ready to where once he puts that film on, it's gonna look like new. And that's exactly what he did with this car, because we all know next month will be 3 years with this Ghibli. So this is not a new car, but it's still getting protected, because you never know, you know, you don't wanna wait till you get that one big chip on the front bumper and you're like, okay, maybe I should go get it done. I've been lucky for the most part to be able to keep the front end of my car clean enough to where I didn't have to get much done as far as any restorations before I got the PPF. Even the wheels are nice and cleaned up. Just look phenomenal. I'm so happy with this. So now we're coming across here. Look at the rear. I mean, what do you guys think? I'm hoping you're loving this as much as I am, because this just looks great. I said, I don't even want to drive it out of here. I just want to let it sit because I don't want to get it dirty. I know that sounds stupid, but look at it. Look at the lines. You can see them so much better under this light. And when it's clean, it's just pearly and sparkly with it. Look at that, guys. This really shows you Maserati cars, how they're supposed to be seen, okay? You can really see the curves, the definition, everything in the vehicles when you see them like this. The Porsche that once was there has been picked up actually an hour before I got here, so I wasn't able to show you guys that in its entirety, but I will be hanging out with Mr. Sparkle every time he gets something, you know, worth you guys' interest in, and we'll do a walk around and see what he's doing to the vehicle, and, you know, show you guys more stuff with him. And let me show you, he's hooked me up with some swag here. So I'll go inside. Got the Mr. Sparkle detailing shirt there. Okay, we got the cup there. Oh, and let's zoom in, there we go. Got the cup there. We got a little bit of car wash solution there, and process on how to wash the car. You know, the 2-bucket system that most of you guys probably use. And then we do have some business cards and brochures with that Expel PPF that we were talking about. This is the Suntech PPF. So we have this one with the Maserati on the cover, but we also have Expel right there. So the different types of PPF there. I'm gonna be handing these out to any of my customers. So anybody who's working at the dealership that is going to be with me and giving out cars, we're gonna be giving out brochures with it too. This looks great. We'll get a little closer on the PPF so you guys can see. I mean, you can't tell it's there. I know where the lines are as far as where the quick cuts are, but you can't tell because, I mean, just looking at it, it's just seamless. Awesome job. I couldn't be happier with this. All right, guys, so the question for today is, what is your experience with PPF? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it's too expensive? And if you guys do have it on your cars, did you get it right when you got your car? Or did you wait a couple of years and maybe get the whole car done or the hood done, maybe just the mirrors? Or did you get the front bumper done? I want to know what you guys think about PPF and what your experience is with it, because this is my first time actually getting it done, as you guys can tell. With that, I definitely want you guys to check out the social media down below. I'm going to link Mr. Sparkle's, his website down there too, and his social media, so you guys can check him out and just see some more work that he does. I also want to do more stuff with him, so you'll see him more on the channel as well. And you got to check out the Patreon. Any little bit helps. I appreciate you guys donating. You're really dope for doing that. I'm going to try to do a live chat soon, and those live chats, like live streams and stuff like that. I've never done it, but maybe I can talk to you guys more just in real time and just connect with you guys more. So check out the social media below. Check out the custom floor mats, all that good stuff. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a like. Also, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. I want to see you guys soon because we got some more good stuff coming. With that, I'll see you guys in the comments below. You guys be easy. Peace.